I'm Alexander Mattoni. I'm the co-founder and head of engineering at Cycle. Cycle is a platform that encompasses the entire DevOps ecosystem. It allows you to deploy containers, manage the infrastructure, the networking, and all of the other complexities that go into taking an application and getting it onto the internet. When we first started back in 2015, containers were this new thing. Half the battle was explaining what is a container, because most people didn't know. Sometime around 2018, 2019, we ended up pivoting because what we found is a lot of people don't want to trust this dinky little startup out of Reno, Nevada at the time to run and manage all of their applications for them, and have the confidence that we're keeping that infrastructure up to date online and working. So one way we found to bridge that gap was by empowering our users to own their own infrastructure. So now when they come to the platform, they'll put in an API key, they'll deploy servers to Equinix Metal, AWS, etc. And Cycle will manage the applications on there. One of the things we've seen is the fear of updating fundamental technologies that power your organization, like Kubernetes. I think one of the most recent statistics is most Kubernetes deployments out there are several months or even years out of date. And so Cycle, as a platform, is constantly keeping all of the infrastructure that it manages on Equinix Metal and AWS up to date with our latest patches, latest operating system, and guaranteeing that that is going to be seamless and under the hood so that you never have to worry about huge security vulnerabilities on your infrastructure or being completely out of date. Everything's going to be completely fresh. I can click a button and it does what I want it to do perfectly every single time, and give that same level of depth and configuration ability in a way that's presentable and understandable to an end user, and empower the people who are writing the applications to do the deployments and manage the cloud portion of it themselves. Cycle is focused on solving the needs of the 80% of people who want to build their applications, get them online, and not have to hire an entire team of DevOps engineers in order to manage that deployment. Equinix provides a lot of trust to our clients. They're able to deploy to a well-known infrastructure partner and let Cycle manage all their stuff, but know that Equinix is there kind of holding things up underneath to ensure that their applications and everything stays online. I look forward to a day where my DevOps needs are taken care of and everything just works exactly the way that you want it to, and I have a nice shiny button that says deploy all of my stuff and make it work right. When people think of Cycle, I want them to think of simplicity without compromise. They can do everything that they would do with a more complicated platform, but everything just works and is much, much easier.